Hey everyone, this is Mike Tarallo with Qlik. In this video, I wanted to share with you a pretty neat feature that I used when demonstrating Qlik the other day, and it involves using a bookmark within a set expression. Now, just to recap, set expressions allow you to constrain a particular aggregated measure to a particular set of dimensions that you define. And there is a syntax that you would use to define that set of data. However, when you analyze data with Qlik and you perform your selections, you can save your selection state as what's called a bookmark. And then that particular bookmark could actually be used within your aggregation as a set expression. Allow me to demonstrate. So this is a very simple dashboard. We have a number of measures and dimensions here. We're using product, category, sales, etc. Now you notice this KPI object is blank, and that's because this is where we're going to use our bookmark within the set expression. So I just have that there as a placeholder. So let's just pretend very simply we're analyzing data, and what I'm going to do is just select baby, wear, and bath clothes. So I'm just going to select these two here and confirm the selection. And then you can see that the selection is maintained in the selection bar across the top. And then you can see our total aggregated sales for those particular selections of categories are 4 million plus. So let's imagine that I'd like to save this particular state and come back to it the next time I open up my app. So I can go to my bookmarks, click create new bookmark, and we can give it a name. So here I can call this one baby wear bath clothes. So I'll just call it baby wear and bath clothes. Okay, and confirm. So now we have our bookmark. Now, as you all know, the way bookmarks work, fairly simple. You just select your bookmark interface and then choose your bookmark, and it'll automatically apply that save selection state. Okay. Another point just to reiterate, when you go into the app overview and you go to bookmarks, you can access the bookmark directly here as well. So you don't have to go into the actual sheet first. So you can just click this and it'll bring you to the appropriate sheet and apply that bookmark. But let's say that this particular analysis uncovers a piece of information that you would like to always remain front and center, basically constrained to this set of data. So what you can do is go into your particular measure in the visualization. In this case, here's our KPI object. And here you can see right now the name of the KPI and the title is using expression bookmark, and we don't have any expression here. Okay, so we're going to go into the expression editor. And, let's choose sales, and let's choose the aggregation of sum, fairly simple, and click insert. Now you'll notice on the right we have a number of different tabs here for a variety of functions. This is the expression builder. You basically select your functions, your measures, input your parameters, and it inserts it into the expression. Well, you'll notice under set expressions we have something called use current selections or use bookmark. So current selections basically just inserts that set analysis expression. So if I just choose use current selections, being that our data is already selected with the bookmark, you can click insert and it'll put that information in there. But now keep in mind, if you have a particular bookmark that's been set with more selections, you could also say use bookmark and then choose from the list of bookmarks. Okay, so in this case here, I'm going to choose the bookmark, baby wear and bath clothes, and then click insert. And notice what it does. It kind of puts in that same syntax for that selection for the bookmark. But something that people don't know is that you could actually take out this expression, and if you keep in the curly braces and then use two double quotes, you could actually put in the name of the bookmark. So for example, baby wear and bath clothes. Okay, the exact same way that it's written here. So you can condense the way, I got a spelling mistake here, let's change that. You can condense the bookmark name so you don't have to have the full expression or set modifier, identifiers, all that stuff that you see in that syntax sprawled out across the expression. You can just use the expression name. Okay, so when we click apply, you can see that this particular KPI object is now aggregated sales at the 4 million plus mark. Okay, and being that this is set analysis now, so any type of expression that we choose, in this case here, you'll notice that the one without the set analysis expression here will basically change, and the other one does not. Okay, so just a little tip and trick for you, allowing you to see how set expressions can work within your measures, but also how you can use a bookmark and also use the bookmark name to apply that set expression. So that's it. If you have any comments or questions, please put them in the comment section where this video is posted. We definitely want to hear from you, so please speak up. And if you have any other suggestions for other tips and tricks and videos that you would like me to create, please let me know as well. All right, guys, thanks for your time, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.